Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase and Edge Functions in no-code apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing yourself and the topic of the video. Today, we will explore how to authenticate with Supabase and Edge Functions in no-code applications. First, navigate to the Supabase website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, create a new project and add a database. Make note of your project API keys as you will need them later. Next, set up the authentication settings in your Supabase dashboard. Go to the authentication section and configure your sign-in methods. You can choose options like email, password, Google, or other OAuth providers. Make sure to enable the methods you want to use in your app. Now, let's set up Edge Functions. In the Supabase dashboard, select Edge Functions from the sidebar menu. Click on Create Function and give your function a meaningful name. In the code editor, start by importing necessary libraries like Supabase Client. Define the function to handle authentication requests. This may include checking for user credentials and returning a user session. Make sure to handle errors gracefully to enhance the user experience. Once your code is written, deploy the Edge function. Take note of the function's endpoint URL for use in your no-code app. Next, head to your no-code platform, such as Bubble, Adalo, or Glide. In your app, create a sign-in form that collects user credentials. Use action workflows to send these credentials to your Supabase Edge function. Make sure to set the request method to post for authentication. When a user submits the form, trigger the request to the Edge function's endpoint. When the authentication is successful, store the user session in the app. If the authentication fails, display an error message for the user. Finally, test your app to ensure that the authentication process is smooth and functional. Monitor the Supabase dashboard for any user activity and analytics. You've now successfully implemented authentication with Supabase and Edge Functions in your no-code application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.